Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by blocking in proportions to avoid rework later. Draw a vertical center line, then one head length for the face. This anchors features. Once done, place an eye line halfway down the head and sketch nose and mouth thirds. These simple ratios keep Elsa recognizable. Roughly map the torso as a pear shape and add shoulder slope and arm guides so clothing and hair will fall naturally. Keep lines light so you can refine details. Now you refine features and costume for likeness and expression. Shape the oval face and set almond eyes slightly tilted. A small nose and soft smile capture Elsa's gentle look. Once features feel balanced, draw the side-swept part and build hair volume with flowing S-curves, then form her signature braid with overlapping segments. Finally, outline the gown's off-shoulder neckline and cape flow so fabric lines follow the body. These contours guide shading and texture later. Finish by adding details and depth to make the drawing pop. You should refine eyelashes and eyebrows, then add subtle shading under eyes and along the nose to suggest form. This is why soft gradients matter. Define braid strands and place highlights on hair edges so light reads correctly. Once done, clean line work, erase construction marks, then apply soft shading on the gown and tiny sparkle accents on the cape. If proportions look off, step back, compare symmetry, and gently adjust feature placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.